Hello everyone, we have started types of estimate in the previous lecture. We have seen the two types of estimate, approximate estimate and detailed estimate. We will study today the detailed estimate and its subtype. Detailed estimate, after getting administrative approval or sanction to the rough cost of the estimate, the competent technical department will prepare the detail item wise quantity of work, item wise unit rate, item wise expenditure in the project is called as detail estimate. The competent technical authority, that is PWD department or concerned WRD department or MJP or whatever the departments are there, they are supposed to prepare the detail estimate for the work. The detail estimate also provide you for the cost of different item of work, civil engineering work, in which the detail estimate is necessary. The very first type of detail estimate I am telling you now, what are the types of detail estimate. Firstly, the detail estimate for the new work is there, the fresh work is there. For that the detail estimate is prepared, and now the different types of detail estimate, in that the very first one is the revised estimate. When you prepare the detail estimate for a new work and its cost exceeds more than 5%, either due to the rate being found insufficient or due to some other reason, a fresh estimate is prepared called as revised estimate. A comparative statement on the last page of the estimate is assessed, giving there is in the reason of the increase of the cost in each item. What is revised estimate? When the sanction estimate exceeds by the 5% of cost, either due to the rate being found insufficient or due to some other reason, the new estimate is prepared, is called as revised estimate. You have already prepared the detail estimate for a work. The sanction is given to that particular work, or the approximate administrative approval is given to that particular work. But in that case, if the sanction is given for suppose rupees 1 lakh and it is exceeded by 5%, suppose 1 lakh 6,000, then you need to prepare an estimate in a newly you have to prepare the estimate. That estimate is called as revised estimate. If the sanction cost exceed by 5%, then you have to prepare the new estimate, which is called as a revised estimate. The sanction cost may be either increased due to the change in rate or any due to other reason. But you keep in mind, revised estimate is the estimate prepared when the sanction cost exceeds by the 5%. Then supplementary estimate is there. This is the fresh detail estimate in addition to the original sanction estimate, prepared when additional work are deemed necessary during the progress of work to supplement the original work. The abstract of cost should show the amount of original sanction estimate as well as supplementary amount of the original sanction estimate, as well as the supplementary amount for which the sanction is required. Second type of detail estimate is supplementary estimate. What is supplementary estimate? It is just a estimate you have prepared. Suppose you have prepared a estimate for 1 BHK, and you need now a second bedroom, you need 2 BHK, but you have already a estimate of 1 BHK. Now you need an additional bedroom. So already the estimate for 1 BHK is there, and for a separate second bedroom you have to prepare an additional estimate, which is called as supplementary estimate, and whose cost is shown separately as a supplementary cost is called as supplementary estimate. Are you getting? The supplementary estimate is the estimate prepared for the additional work which you have to execute along with the original work. Additional work, suppose some sanitary block, additional sanitary block you have to construct, or suppose the length of a particular construction of dam or length of pipeline is extended in case of water supply. Already the estimate is there for the original length of the pipeline, and some length is extended then that additional length is added by adding the supplementary estimate. So first detail estimate is revised estimate, the second detail estimate is supplementary estimate, then the third type is revise and supplementary, the combined revise and supplementary. In this case, the cost is exceeding more than 5%, and also there is some addition in the original work is there. In that case, the third type of estimate is prepared. It is not in the slide, but the third type is revise and supplementary, when both the things are necessary. Revision of cost due to exceed limit 5%, and addition of work addition of work is there in the original work. In that case, the revise and supplementary estimate is prepared. Then the annual repair and maintenance estimates are there. All the government building and roads and all the other dams, water supply lines are care is taken by the competent government department, and their annual and repair and maintenance is required to maintain that building in good condition. For maintaining the building in good condition, the department prepares the estimate which is called as annual and maintenance repair work estimate, annual repair and maintenance work estimate. So you can see in the slide, annual maintenance estimates are being prepared by the concerned department for getting the allocation of fund made in the annual budget, so that the government made the budget in the annual fund so that the building can be maintained in the good condition. In such cases, in the case of building whitewashing, oiling, painting door and windows, cement plaster, repair of floor, in no case the annual repair and maintenance, it is important. In no case this annual repair amount should more than 1.5% to 2% of the total cost of the building. Suppose the cost of building is 10 lakh, then the annual repair and maintenance cost should be 1.5% to 2% to the total cost of the building. In case of road filling, patches, maintenance, this type of estimate is required. So firstly we have seen revised estimate, secondly supplementary estimate, thirdly revise and supplementary estimate, fourth is annual repair and maintenance estimate. Then one is there special repair estimate. If the work cannot be carried out with the annual repair fund, but it is necessary to maintain the structure in a proper condition, some special repair estimate are sanctioned by the competent government authority. In that case, in case of the building opening, new door, change of floor, plastering to wall. In case of road, the whole surface is full of corrugation, patches, then in that case special repair work is there. That you can comes under the renovation work also. You can do the renovation of complete building. So these are the main 5 types of detail estimate which I am going to quote you today. In that, the first one is your revised estimate, second is your supplementary estimate, third is your revise and supplementary estimate, fourth is your annual maintenance and repair estimate, and fifth is your special repair estimate, and the main is your detail estimate. This detail estimate is prepared for all type of work. It is necessary for any fresh work or for any new work. A detail estimate is prepared finding out all the quantities of work, item wise unit rate, item wise expenditure in the project is called as detailment, which is prepared for every work, for every fresh new work is called as the detail estimate. These are the, once again I am repeating the types of detail estimate. One is detail estimate for new or fresh work, second is revise estimate, third is supplementary estimate, fourth is revise and supplementary estimate, fifth is annual repair and maintenance estimate, sixth is renovation estimate or special estimate. So with this we can conclude with the